Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, AI Earn Buddy, your ultimate guide to earning money. 51 ways of earning money online using AI tools. Part 1, Logo Design Service. In Part 1, we're diving into the world of logo design services, showing you how AI tools can help you make money online. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our AI money-making tips. Logo design is all about creating memorable brand identities, and AI tools have revolutionized this industry. Imagine being able to generate stunning logos effortlessly. Today, I'll introduce you to a few AI-powered logo design tools like Canva, Logo.ai, and MarketBlocks.ai. Let's see how you can use these tools step by step. Step 1. Sign up. Go to the website of the AI tool you choose. Sign up for an account. Most of these services offer free plans with premium options. Step 2. Start a new project. Once logged in, start a new project or logo design. Step 3. Input your preferences. Specify your design preferences such as color scheme, style, and any specific elements you want in your logo. Step 4. AI Magic. Let the AI work its magic. The tool will generate logo options based on your preferences. Step 5. Customize, optional, review the generated logos. You can customize them further by adjusting colors, fonts, and layouts. Step 6. Finalize and download. Once you're satisfied with the logo, finalize it and download it in various formats for your client. Impressive, right? AI can help you produce stunning logos quickly, which can be a valuable service for businesses and individuals looking to establish their brand identities. Now, where can you sell this service online? Here are some online platforms where you can offer your logo design services. Freelance websites. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr allow you to create a profile and offer your services to a global audience. Graphic design marketplaces. Websites like Design Hill and 99 Design specialize in connecting designers with clients seeking design services. Social media. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn to showcase your portfolio and reach potential clients. Your website. Create your own website to promote your services and build your brand. To start your logo design service, all you need is creativity, an understanding of your client's needs, and these AI tools at your disposal. Finding clients and marketing your services will also be crucial aspects that we'll explore in future parts of the series. That's it for Part 1 of 51 ways of earning money online using AI tools. With AI, you can transform your passion into profit. Like this video, share it, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI income insights. Thanks for joining. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll delve into another exciting AI-driven opportunity. This is AI Earn Buddy, signing off.